Hello, now we are going to see the concept of relation between total cost, total fixed cost, and total variable cost. Total fixed cost is horizontal to axis. Total cost and total variable cost are S-shaped. They rise initially at decreasing rate, then at constant rate, and finally at an increasing rate due to law of variable proportion. At a zero level of output, total cost is equal to total fixed cost. Total cost and total variable cost are parallel to each other. Now the formula came: total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. TC is equal to TFC plus TBC. Total fixed cost is equal to total cost minus total variable cost, and total variable cost is equal to total cost minus total fixed cost. The average cost is the cost per unit of output produced. Average cost is equal to total cost divided by quantity. Average fixed cost is the per unit fixed cost of production. Average fixed cost is equal to total fixed cost divided by quantity or output. Average fixed cost decline with every increase in output. It is rectangular hyperbola. It goes very close to x-axis but never touches x-axis, as total fixed cost can never be zero. Average fixed cost डिक्रीज होती है जैसे आउटपुट इंक्रीज होगा। ये एवरेज फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट एक रेक्टेंगुलर हाइपरबोला है। ये एक्स एक्सिस को कभी टच नहीं करती, जैसे टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट कभी जीरो नहीं होता। चाहे जीरो लेवल ऑफ आउटपुट हो, टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट जीरो के अलावा कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है, लेकिन जीरो नहीं होगा। एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, there are two kind of average cost: average fixed cost and average variable cost. Average variable cost is the cost per unit of variable cost of production. Average variable cost is equal to total variable cost divided by output. Average variable cost fall with every increase in output. Initially, once the optimum level of output is reached, average variable costs start rising. Average total cost or average cost level to per unit of total cost of production. Average total cost is equal to total cost divided by output, and average cost is equal to average fixed cost plus average variable cost. Now there are some three phases of average cost. The first phase says that when both average cost and average when average cost fall, then average variable cost and average fixed cost also fall. जब average cost गिरती है तो average fixed cost और average variable cost भी fall होती है. Second phase is when average fixed cost continue to fall. Average variable cost remain constant. Average cost fall till it reaches minimum. Third phase is average cost lies when rise in average variable cost is more than in average variable cost.